Today we're going to announce the winner of the Spring Never Sounded So Good giveaway and more. If you're into speaker building, you may have picked up one of our Amiga kits. We have a video showing the process of building one from unboxing to soldering the crossover. Not to mention, we showcase 2 finishing techniques, vinyl wrap and exo-hide speaker coating. If you want to learn more about this kit and ways to finish all speakers, you can watch those videos on our YouTube channel with more coming soon. The new BST300EX is a powerful bass shaker designed for serious audio enthusiasts. With an impressive 300 watts of power, it delivers extreme bass that will immerse you in your favorite movies, games, and music. If you want to take things to the next level, check out the BST300EX. Registration is now open for the 2023 Speaker Design Competition held here in Springboro, Ohio. The dates are Friday and Saturday, August 4th and 5th, so get signed up today. If you just want to visit and see the best DIY speakers, go ahead and save that date in your calendar. And for even more information, visit partsexpress.com. If you entered last month's giveaway, you might be the lucky person who is about to win a $250 shopping spree at Parts Express. Are you Michael M. from Norwalk, Ohio? Well, if you are, then congratulations, and we'll be in touch soon. This month, our friends at PRV Audio have provided a pair of 6-inch mid-range neodymium speakers for a prize package worth $320. Thanks, PRV. Good luck to all who enter, and we'll see you next month.